Hey everyone, Miss Christian here. So today I need to go into Menards and grab some stuff for my garden. If y'all don't know, this is my second year of trying to learn gardening, learn prepping, stockpiling, all of those different things. So what I found out is gardening is expensive. Especially since I'm on Section 8, I can't dig into my ground. Like, my landlord doesn't approve that, so it's not a Section 8 thing. It might just be if you rent as well. So I container garden. With that, I have to buy my dirt and everything that will keep that soil nutritious. So yeah, let's go in. This is so beautiful over here. Like this. Like, I just can't wait until I'm able to afford this kind of living. Like, just going outside and seeing my deck look like this. Seeing the fire pit going, just seeing all of this stuff, seeing scenery. This is what I dream. This is what I want. I don't want to be on Section 8 forever. I don't want to be able to qualify for food stamps forever. I really want to. My life has been hard. I know some people's life has been harder than mine, but my life has been tough. It's been constantly struggle and survival mode, and I just want to know what it's like not to be in that survival state. Just be able to sit back on my patio, prop my feet up. These chairs are beautiful. Prop my feet up and relax and look at the fruits of my labor. This is what I'm working towards. This is what I'm dreaming about. This right here, I could literally sit right here forever because it's just so beautiful and it's just something that I really want. But let's go in. Okay, so I got my cart. Something that I do that I have not done in a while is coming into Menards and different home improvement stores and just looking around at different things that I would want to buy, lighting fixtures, and just dreaming a little bit. Flooring, all of that stuff, tiles. This is cabinet lighting, just dreaming. Just to actually know that every stage in life is temporary, and it's a journey. We just passing through. One of my favorite movies is Pitch Black, and I like when he was like, oh, me, I'm just passing through. Vin Diesel, that's one of my favorite movies. So we just passing through, but with passing through, I'm just ready to experience a different stage of life. And sometimes I can get impatient, and I'm just come on, when is it gonna happen? When is it gonna happen? Constantly in prayer, constantly being patient, constantly being good to others, constantly doing all the things that I can do in my power, and feeling like I'm going nowhere. And so coming in these places like this and just picking out things for the future, it just helps me, because I feel like if they have it for sale, that means that somebody is buying it. if somebody is buying it, that means that you can buy it. It means that I can buy it. And so it's just getting the resources to do that. So look at this. That's pretty. You got diamonds around it. That's real pretty. I love this sink right here. This is so cute to me. I like how the bowl is. I like this finish. This is so cute to me. This reminds me of apartment complex. I don't know, it just looks cheap to me. It looks like that this faucet on here is really, really nice. Why would you put that nice faucet on this standard looking cabinet? I don't know, that's just me. I do like how deep the bowl is though. That's really cute. This one has a deep bowl too. I don't want anything like this anymore. I don't know, it just makes things look outdated, I think, to me. And then it's like when it's this color, it makes you have to pick a thing to your bathroom that goes with this kind of look, that kind of marble look. Whereas this right here is seamless. You can put any color with it. This right here I actually love. Now this would be something that I would love in my bathroom. But I would want it to be double sink, or if two was right by each other to where it would take up a whole space. So two of these right by each other so it could be double. I think that will be so pretty. The faucet is okay. I mean, I like it. It's okay, but I really love this faucet. So I would try to see if I could get that faucet on this. This just puts me in like that farmhouse kind of feel. And like my dream home is kind of like that farmhouse, swing on the porch, wrap around porch, huge backyard, huge like willow trees, a great place for me to garden, a great spot like for what's they call koi fish pond, like all of that. Like I just want to step out into my backyard and feel serene. I really like this too. I like this look too. This finish just seems so dark to me. It seems so dark. I would want it to be light like this. Like this is something I really like. Now that I'm looking, I really like that. I really like all the doors. And look, these open. So that opens. That's pretty. Oh, it closes by itself. It pops open, and then if you close it like that, it closes by itself. Just stuff like this. Yes, it's little, but I like stuff like that. I always say I wanted self-closing doors, because I just have a real bad problem with closing cabinets. I have a really bad problem with that. I like this too, but it's so bulky. It just reminds me of like a high-end hotel or something. And then this is black. Like this is real modern. I'm like more of a contemporary modern kind of girl. I don't like real modern things. They just look, they don't have warmth in them. They just look like real stern looking to me. I'm gonna go over here and look at some more. So y'all want to skip past this part, y'all can. I'll let y'all know what's the timestamp for the garden stuff. Oh wow, look at this. It has that farmhouse sink feel where you sit on the back. I really don't like that. I feel like not with this finish. I don't like how that looks. Look at this. This reminds me of a hospital room. It looks like a hospital room. I don't like that either. Now this is really cute. And I say I didn't like the marble look, but this is really cute. I don't like this finish. I don't like that finish. But I like all the cabinets and the drawers. All them drawers don't even open. So I guess that's just decoration, or you can make them into a drawer. I don't know. I love this. This kind of puts me in the mind of what I wanted over there. But I love this. Like, can you picture like the white tiles, like right there where you roll them up and have you some white tiles. Maybe have you your candle on the bottom, store it so when you want to take a bath you just can pull everything out and place it on the counter. You get your candle going, like all the little things that you need for that. Your drawers with all your hair stuff in, and all of your accessories, all of your skincare stuff, and all of that stuff be in the drawers so it's hidden away from the counters. Like, now this is really cute. This is really cute. It would be right now it's between this one and the other one. This is cute too. It's dark though. It's really masculine. Like, oh, look, here go a double sink. But this is too much white. Like, this is too much white. It just, like I said, it looks like the typical luxury bathrooms. I like all the cabinets though, but it's double sink, so it's basically just that's one. They added in a layer of drawing, and then like that's another, so it's double sink. So I like that, and that's why I was saying if I got two of like something like this, it would be double sinks. Look at this. That's real pretty. That's fancy. This is something that I would want like in a downstairs bathroom. Like because like the house that I want it to be like 2.5, 3 bathrooms. 2.5, 3 bathrooms, maybe more. But like I would like this, like a prince, you know, or it puts me in mind like of a prince bathroom. I really like that color and that trim. Like this is a statement piece, so I would want this to be the statement piece and just do like different accents. This I don't like. I don't care for the distressed look because I feel like it just be looking dirty or fake old. Now if it's real distressed, that's nice. But if it's like you can tell like that they made this distressed looking, that it was white and they fit, you know, put some black finish on there to kind of make it look distressed. I don't like the fake stuff. Now here goes the showers. These showers are so small. I want a huge shower. This is a shower and tub combo. I want mine where it's different. Like this is cute. This is a cute shower right here. This is real nice. I thought it was gonna slide, but it don't like this. That's cute. So this is real cute. That's the finish of it. I really like these glass doors. So this is cute. It put me in the mind of like going to a sauna. I like that. So I would say double the size of that. And like a rain, what do they call, like a rain shower, where it's like one that's coming like down like that, and then one where it's coming across. So maybe like 2 rain showers, and then like a few like pockets where it's water coming out, and then a regular nozzle right there that's coming out on both sides. Like I would really like that. They got like the clawfoot tub. I don't want a clawfoot tub. I want a big round tub. Clawfoot tubs, they a whole task to clean. That's why I don't care for them. I've had one before in the house that I stayed in, that I rented. Look at the sinks, y'all. Now y'all know I used to have my own restaurant. I love this sink. I love that sink. A big stainless steel. I never even seen a sink like this where it comes out and you can see it. I've always seen them look like this, and I don't want, like, these stain so easy. I won't want that. I won't want it to be like stainless steel like that. I really love that sink. That is a beautiful sink. But like the round like this that is in, I don't like that. That looks so cheap. I would want it in something else. I don't know, I'm kind of over the 2 drains. I had seen somebody on YouTube with one of these sinks, or no, it was a TikTok, and to make it shine, to clean the copper, they cleaned it with ketchup. It was like a hack where they used ketchup to clean the copper and to make it get back shiny, and they said it worked. So I don't know, but I wouldn't want a sink where I gotta do all of that too. That's too much maintenance. Look at this. Oh my god, I want a nozzle like this. I want to be able to move around. So yeah, I want a nozzle like this in my kitchen. I want a chef's kitchen. Look at this. Little nozzles. I don't know, the next place I rent, I might just splurge and grab like the shower nozzle that I really want. Grab some fixtures and stuff that I really want, because hey, if I buy them, I can always you know, take them with me when I leave. but I need to see something. Like I'm having this feeling of filling in a box. My creativity is bigger than what's around me. You know how like artists go to, the mountains or whatever when they write in a book, like, authors and artists go to the mountains to paint or to write a book. They go somewhere because like they need to see space, for their creativity. That's what kind of funk I'm kind of in right now. I need to see something different, just to keep igniting the dream. Okay, so we have finally made it down to the soil area, what they had told me. So I'm getting ready to find it. I needed big bags this time, not those little bitty bags, because I have 10-gallon buckets to fill, and I have, let me see, I have 15 of them to fill up. Okay, so here goes. Oh wow, they had got a good deal. This is compost and manure, but of course I just bought some chicken compost, so I don't need any more compost. And they have some topsoil. They have mushroom compost. I already have mushroom, so I don't need any of that. I actually forgot that I had mushrooms, so I'm gonna grab so I'm gonna put that into, just some pot and soil mix. So I'm gonna grab, these are $2.99. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. I'm gonna see if they have a different kind just before, because like Miracle Grow is usually all what I see everywhere. So to see other stuff is interesting to me. That's $6.49. So yeah, we're gonna get down here to the Miracle Grow. Like I tell you, that's usually everywhere. Feeds for, where goes this? It's $10.99 a bag. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. That's for indoor outdoor plants. So I wonder if I can use it for fruits and vegetables. Y'all learning with me. Y'all, bigger plants, more blooms. Okay, so I got a tomato on there. So I'm just gonna grab 2 bags of this premium pot and soil. It's $10.99 a bag instead of buying a cheaper one. And then in the pot and soil, I'm gonna put the chicken compost, and I have some mushroom like compost, dry mushroom flakes. So I'm gonna put that in here too, and then pot everything up. Awesome trip. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And also, just a little bit something different. What is something that you are dreaming towards? I can't be the only dreamer. What is something that you're working towards? What is something that, if you're not a dreamer, what is something that you wish you could wake up and something that's on your mind could be right in front of you? Like, let me know in the comment section below. And always, thanks for watching. Until next time, y'all. Bye.